Hey, it's Steve. My dad bought me this battery-powered brushless mini chainsaw. Check out that number. I dumped this box out and all I could see was Makita. Oh, it's got a saw in it. It comes with a little charger, some chains, some PPE, gloves and glasses. But this is the only thing I noticed. A new battery for my Makita drill. Let's check it out. $40 for a 2000 milliamp hour battery. Let's see if the Makita battery will work on this chainsaw. Sure enough, if that don't show you the versatility of Makita battery operated tools, nothing will. If you own Makita, get yourself this little chainsaw so that you never run out of power, no matter what you're doing. I'll do a comparison of these batteries, root and crude. See how they compare, just voltage wise. Make sure they're safe, because they are labeled differently, aren't they? 18 volt, 21. Check it out. I'm going to turn this into a pole saw, but let's check out these batteries.